Namaste to all students. Kushovidya, myself Jeevan Dr. Khushbu Verma, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about one organelle which is known as Golgi apparatus, and this session is related to course Cell Biology of program BTech FBT, BTech MTech FBT and BSc FND third try. First of all, we will discuss about the definition of Golgi body, or you can say collectively Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is an organelle in eukaryotic organisms that moves molecules from the endoplasmic reticulum to their destination. The organelle also modifies products of the endoplasmic reticulum to their final form. The Golgi apparatus is comprised of a series of flattened sac that extend from the endoplasmic reticulum. Now we will discuss about the overview of Golgi apparatus. So main function of the Golgi apparatus is the ability to deliver vesicles or package of various cell products to different locations throughout the cell. The Golgi body also has important functions in tagging vesicles with proteins and sugar molecules, which serve as identifiers for the vesicles so they can be delivered to the proper target. The organelle is also called the Golgi complex or Golgi body. Typically, proteins and cellular products are manufactured in the endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum has a number of ribosomes which assemble protein from instructions contained in the messenger RNA. Throughout the rest of the endoplasmic reticulum, these protein products are folded and modified. As they reach the Golgi apparatus, more modifications are made. So you can say primarily modifications were done by ER and the final modification was done by Golgi apparatus. Finally, the product are packaged within vesicles which are labeled by other proteins and molecules. The vesicles are released and based on their tags or labels, they are carried to appropriate location within the cell by the cytoskeleton help. This is the overview and that how Golgi apparatus works within the cell. Now we will discuss about the Golgi apparatus structure. Later we will discuss about the image of the Golgi apparatus also. First we will discuss about the terms related to Golgi apparatus structure. The cis phase of the organelle is closer to the endoplasmic reticulum. This cis phase is just like a forming stage. It will not be a mature stage. Next phase is trans phase. It is the side furthest from the nucleus which secretes vesicle to various parts of the cell. This trans phase is mature phase. Further, there are a number of lumens and cisternae through which product flow. These appears as a series of flattened sac stack on each other, much like the endoplasmic reticulum. This is the structure of Golgi apparatus. Here we can see cisternae and the vesicle from where vacuoles will be generated. This is the cis region and this is the trans region which is maturing phase, and from the maturing phase vesicles or large secretory granules will be generated and these granules will be labeled with specific proteins. These label will finalize the destination of that particular protein or product where they have to go. So this is the structure of Golgi apparatus. Now we will discuss about the location of Golgi apparatus. So Golgi apparatus is situated in between the endoplasmic reticulum and the cell membrane. Most often, Golgi appears to be an extension of the endoplasmic reticulum, which is slightly smaller and smoother in appearance. However, the Golgi apparatus can be easily mistaken for smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Although they are look similar, the Golgi is an independent organelle which has different functions. Golgi apparatus presents in plant cells. While preliminary discussions on the operation of Golgi apparatus within animal cells, plant cells also have a Golgi apparatus. In fact, plant cells may contain 100 of these organelles. So this is the sum up of this session, and this session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.